The Ministry of Education on Sunday clarified that the introduction of on-screen marking for CBSE Class 12 board examinations has not affected student scores or pass percentages. The ministry also announced a reduction in the fees for evaluation and answer sheet verification to 100 rupees each in an effort to reduce anxiety among students and parents. Addressing a press conference, School Education Secretary Sanjay Kumar said, "The OSM system is completely transparent, secure and in line with international evaluation standards." He stated that nearly 98 lakh Class 12 answer sheets were scanned under a 3-level security system during the evaluation process. According to officials, some answer sheets faced legibility issues because students had used very light-colored ink, making portions of the scripts unclear even after repeated scanning. Sanjay Kumar said that in such cases, examiners were instructed to manually evaluate the answer sheets and award marks accordingly. More than 13,000 answer sheets were separately identified for manual checking. After the manual evaluation process, the marks were entered into the system to ensure that no student was affected due to scanning issues. The ministry emphasized that special attention was given to security measures and evaluation procedures to ensure that the on-screen marking process remained accurate, fair, and foolproof. The clarification comes amid concerns raised by several students and parents who alleged that the dip in Class 12 pass percentages and marks this year was linked to the introduction of OSM, which was implemented for the first time in CBSE board examinations. So viewers, do you think the CBSE's on-screen marking system will improve transparency and fairness in board exam evaluations? Let us know in the comment section. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.